Okay, so we're working on the E60 today. I'm trying to get it drivable. There's a few things we have to fix. I just can't take it. The trunk latch. The trunk latch, it works with a button inside. I could pop it. It works with the key fob. I could pop it with that. When I got the car, this was kind of taken down like this. So somebody's been in here doing hard telling what. You first assume the latch is bad. Then in the more research I did, you pretty much figure out the latches don't ever go bad, and usually it's misdiagnosed. So how this works, the wire from the latch, from the light, from the lock, that all runs down and runs over here, and that runs down in the middle of this hinge, this tube. And so basically it runs over here, and you can see once I cut away the coating, all the wires are all broken up, and there's one wire that's busted in two. So right where it comes out of this bend is where it's having the issue. I don't have, well, I pretty much have everything that I need to fix this with. How to fix it is the next thing, and how to fix it so it doesn't do it again. You can black tape all you want, you can rig it up all you want, that's one thing. You know, I guess replacing the harness would be the best, but it doesn't, it goes right into the chassis. I don't think there's any plug in there that you could do that. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go and fix the broken wire. We'll put a crimp on. Probably a better way to be solder it. We'll probably do a crimp on because, you know, but all the other frayed wires, you can see they're all broken up. I have the electrical tape in the can, the paintable liquid stuff, but it's not very thick. I don't think that'd be a good fix for this. What I think I might do, I might go ahead and crimp this wire back together. I'll separate all these other wires the best I can, and I have some hot glue. I think some hot glue is going to be the answer to this. I think we'll hot glue everything separately, try not to blob it up very much, and then we'll electrical tape it all back together on one piece. And before I'll fix this other wire before I glue it, and we'll make sure that the latch works properly before we put any hot glue on it. So I have the Gorilla Glue stuff. It should hold on pretty good to those wires. That'll give us some good thick insulation. So let's go ahead and get that out. Let's see what happens. Okay, so first stage, we just put a crimp on that wire, and well, hopefully this opens. It seems like it works. We push the button. Got some clicking going on we didn't have before. Here goes nothing. Good deal. So that fixed that. So let's get the rest of these wires. We'll chase a cord out here. We're outside because the E39's in the shop. Chase a cord out here. We'll get the hot glued real quick before it gets dark, and we'll get all that stuff sorted out. So we'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, that worked out really good actually. Got a couple strings hanging off of it. So right now everything's encapsulated. Nothing could get damaged anymore. And we have the hot glue is actually holding in place, just like you buy electronics, the connector. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our black electrical tape, we're gonna wrap this up all the way up to the very top, and it should give it a little bit of a glide to go in and out of there if it needs to, but it shouldn't have to. It should be all the way out right now. And I think that should hold up pretty damn good. Now we don't know if it's broken inside here, but from what I read, usually they don't have an issue breaking up in here. But if it does, if you find yours has that, you can unplug these two connectors up here, and you could just pull the whole thing out. You should be able to push it back up in there. If not, you could probably use a coat hanger or something, or a string, and pull it through to get it back in. And just to clarify one more time, the trunk latch back here would not open the trunk. The button inside the remote would open the trunk, and whenever you're driving, it would say trunk open. Every time you slow down and speed up, it would ding, trunk open, trunk open. So hopefully that's going to fix that too. It should at this point. That's going to be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.